One more time, good morning. I'd like to thank all of you for coming this morning. As you know, we've been involved in a 3-year effort here in Milwaukee. It's an effort designed to make all of us healthier in our workplaces and in the process become recognized as the largest well city in the nation. Will we receive that recognition today? We're not even sure. But we hope so because we scheduled this press conference. Before we go further, let me tell you a little bit about WellCoA, the Wellness Council of America. WellCoA was formed to promote workplace wellness and serve as a resource for companies and organizations. It also operates with core beliefs, one, that healthcare costs are an issue of significant concern, that a healthy workforce is essential to America's continued growth and prosperity, that much of the illness in the United States is directly preventable, and that the workplace is an ideal setting to address health and well-being. WellCoA serves as a resource for companies and organizations that wish to provide employees with wellness programs. Exercise, nutrition, work-life balance, and general overall health in employees results in more productivity and lower health care costs. Truly a win-win situation. Companies that achieve certain levels of wellness program participation are recognized with a Well Workplace Award that is presented by the locally affiliated Wellness Council, such as the Wellness Council of Wisconsin. WellCoA has determined that any city or region with 20% or more of its working population employed by places designed as well workplaces can officially be designated as a well city. The well city concept strives to spread the benefits of wellness programs beyond employees of well workplaces and directly into our community. We've been working toward the goal of being the largest well city in the nation. So the big question is, have we accomplished that goal? I don't know the answer yet, but I know someone who does. At this time, I'd like to introduce to you and turn this over to Teresa Islow, who is the Director of Operations for the Wellness Council of Wisconsin. Teresa?
Years ago, the City of Milwaukee, the Greater Milwaukee Committee, and the Metropolitan Milwaukee Association of Commerce had a vision of a healthier workforce. We were pleased that they came to the Wellness Council of America with that vision, and early on, it became clear that Milwaukee would be a leader. The Wellness Council of America described Milwaukee's strategic plan to become a well city as the best they had ever seen. Milwaukee took a unique and comprehensive approach to meeting the goals laid out in their strategic plan. And today, Milwaukee serves as a model for other Wisconsin cities. And now, Mayor Barrett, on behalf of the Wellness Council of Wisconsin Board of Directors, it is my sincere pleasure and honor to declare Milwaukee a well city. I present to you the Wellness Council of America's Well City Proclamation to Milwaukee. Whereas the health and well-being of Milwaukee's working men and women, their spouses, and dependents matters greatly, and whereas healthcare cost containment among Milwaukee's corporations and organizations is of the utmost priority, the Wellness Council of America hereby decrees that the City of Milwaukee has been designated as a Silver Well City. On this 18th day of March 2010. With this designation, the City of Milwaukee has distinguished itself as one of the healthiest cities in America by engaging organizations that employ more than 30% of the city's working population. Milwaukee's business, health, and civic leaders have taken significant measures to protect the health and well-being of the working people of Milwaukee, as well as striving to contain ever-escalating healthcare costs. On behalf of the WellCoa Board of Directors, please accept our warmest congratulations and our heartfelt thanks for your energy, enthusiasm, and commitment in distinguishing the City of Milwaukee as one of the premier communities in the United States. And it's signed by Dr. David Honeycutt, the President of WellCoa.
Well, thank you very much, Teresa. It's on behalf of the citizens of the City of Milwaukee and on behalf of the employees of the City of Milwaukee, I want to thank you very, very much for this honor and this recognition. It was actually in December of 2006 when I received a phone call from Dick Tilmar and Mary Meehan from Alverno College, and they asked to come in to talk about this concept, which was very foreign to me, and perhaps even at that time a little foreign to them, of having Milwaukee as part of this Well City initiative. And as they explained the benefits to me of this program, I thought this is absolutely the direction that I wanted our city to go toward. And part of the reason is if you go back 60 years and look at the City of Milwaukee, year after year we were winning awards as the healthiest city in this country. And unfortunately we lost that crown. And what has happened instead is we've seen some very troubling increases in some of our health indicators. And Commissioner Baker and his staff have done a great job on working to try to reverse some of those negative indicators. But at the same time, I felt, all right, there are certain things that are within our control as an employer and as a leading employer within this community. And so I working along with Dick and Mary and with the great help of Julia Taylor from the GMC and Tim Sheehy from the MMAC, decided that we would launch this initiative really citywide to see what we could do to bring more employers in and really promote wellness throughout the community. So I'd like to also acknowledge and thank the 51 employers and 70,000 plus employees from public and private employers throughout the city who made workplace wellness happen. Thanks to those efforts and our request to support the city's efforts, we're now proud to be a well city. As the CEO of the city and of our 7,000 employees, I value their good health. I recognize that having a healthy workforce creates more productivity, creates a happier workforce. And so as an employer, we wanted to make sure that happened as well. But as much as we're proud of this, we know that our work is not done. And our challenge now, and the goal that we're setting, is to try to get another 51 employers and another 70,000 employees over the next 3 years to be part of this wellness initiative. Our efforts will include expanding our outreach to beyond the workplace and find ways to reach others in the city, including children. So on behalf of the employers and healthier employees, it's my honor to accept this designation as a Well City. I would also like to thank, in particular, Mike Brady, who's done a great job as one of our lead people in the city in this effort. And on a personal note, I'll say I've tried to comply as much as I can with the Well City Initiative. And I want you to feel that I now feel much guiltier when I eat my chocolate chip cookies. I still eat them, but I feel guilty. So again, thank you very, very much. Appreciate it.